Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for Apple Home Advisor job. So before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So for that, I'm going to use the Indeed website. So you can use any job portal. So I'm going to use Indeed, and you need to sign in. So basically, you have account. So I'm going to continue with Google. Okay, so I'm going to select this account, for example. Okay, so now and here you need to change the location, so I'm going to select for the United States. Okay, I need another country. So okay, going to search for Apple Advisor and click on find jobs. So after that you can see different jobs here and you need to apply. So click on three bars. So let's suppose first I need to change my country because in that country there is no job, so I'm going to search for the United States. Okay, now here I am in the US, so now I'm going to search for uh, advisor. Okay, so now you can see that I see different jobs, and let's suppose here is a job. You simply need to click on that, and you need to go through all the details, and after that you need to click on apply now. So once you click on that, you can easily apply. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.